tools are the basic user land tools that you need in order to work with the TPM manually. And then in order to make the trusted computing pools work, you need tboot. These other things here are optional for using the TPM for other things. I've used JTSS, which is a Java interface to the TPM to integrate some operations into using Java, if you're interested in that. And then, like I said earlier, IMAEVM has an option to use a TPM to validate the hashes that you maintain locally of known good files. So it might be something of interest, but not related to the trusted compute pools. And what it's not an HSM, but what do you expect for $1? It's not an accelerator. It's more like a decelerator. And it's not tamper-proof, but it's very, very tamper-resistant for what it is. These are some benchmarks. I don't know if you can read it, probably not, that I did myself on it to show you kind of how slow it is. When you create a binding key, for instance, like in here, the average was 18 seconds. Oops, sorry. And loading the key took a little over almost 2 seconds. But then when you're actually